smoked up in here and not in the way that most people smoke up. Oh, so just getting a start to my day. About to go into the gym. Got my knee taped up there. It's looking crazy, but I think today I'm gonna actually try to get a workout in. Try the treadmill, maybe. I want to do the elliptical, but I don't want to push my knee out of its healing because it's like almost there. I feel like I'm about 85% healed, maybe 82% healed. And I don't want to do anything to postpone myself into another 2 week delay of working out. So definitely gonna do some weight machines, work on my core, work on my arms, but we'll see whether I choose the treadmill or a bike or something just to get some cardio in because I need it. But we're going to, I think, do some Uber eating today. Try to just grind it out, explore this town of Ocala, Florida. Ocala, Florida. I don't know if I'm saying it's Ocala. Ocala, I think. See what the vibes are. See if I can make any money. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Oh, I love the smell of Palo Santo. It's in the air. I need to make up my bed back there. But yeah, we're gonna get into that. I can't talk. I don't know what's wrong with me. We're gonna get our butts in the gym. Hopefully get a nice workout in. And I'll see you guys back at the truck. Probably to get some Uber eating in. Let's see how it goes on the streets of Ocala. Let's not get copyrighted. So I'm done with the gym, washed my hair, did my hair. It's not the greatest, but we're vibing. Just need to get my curl pattern back again. So we're about to go to Aldi, cause I want some tater tots with my dinner. I'm gonna do those steak pieces that you saw me marinate and avocado, maybe some toast, maybe not toast. I don't know. Lettuce. It's just what I'm feeling. Steak, avocado, and some tater tots. So we're gonna get ready to go there now, and then we're gonna cook, and then I think we're gonna try to Uber Eats because it looks like the night here is gonna be better to Uber Eats. I wish I could Uber, but we're gonna do what we can, and let's go ahead and get on the road to Aldi. Alright, that's enough. That was Pretzel by Ari Lennox. Such a good song. So, if you're in Aldi, or you shop at Aldi, and you like hash browns, these right here. Oh, you pop them things in the air fryer, they go crazy. A little bit of ketchup. So good. Definitely suggest get these. That's literally all I went in there for, but I be keeping these on deck. Anybody who knows me knows I love simple plain desserts. I love a good chocolate chip cookie. I love a nice brownie. I love a nice slice of carrot cake, or just triple, double, any kind of chocolate cake. Like or strawberry cake that my mom makes. But these right here, if you can bake yourself a homemade chocolate chip cookie, these right here will do the fill. Like, there's nothing better. There's not a brand name better than these. They're nothing better. Like, they're soft but crunchy at the same time. They taste just like a chocolate chip cookie that you might bake yourself. Like, so good. And then I wasn't gonna get these. I debated. I wasn't gonna get them. Then I was like, get them. Then I did it. And then I went back and got them. So I'm gonna try these shrimp bites. I had something similar from a different store when I was like living in a house. But I'm gonna try them. I hope that they're good. I'm gonna try them. But that's what I got at Aldi because I already did my grocery shopping. You guys just didn't see that. And now I'm gonna go find a spot to cook. Actually, I'm gonna go to the gas station, maybe get some gas and get some ice for my cup because it is 88 degrees. It's not like super bad, but it's a little hot. The sun is shining. Okay. But yeah, guys, this is, like I said, gonna be the day that we try to Uber Eats in this little town of Ocala, Florida. See what the vibes are for making some money. Honey, honey, honey. There's nothing more I love than a big truck with a little tiny dog. I don't know if you can see his head popping out of the window. Oh my god, he's so cute. And it reminds me of my dog when he's riding in my truck. My truck is not as big as the dually Dodge 3500 that's in front of me, but it's still a little dog in a big truck. Oh my god, how cute! It's a little dog in a big truck. It's a little dog in a big truck. A little dog in a big truck. It's the little things that just bring me so much joy. Like a dog, any kind of dog. But a little dog in a big truck. Ugh. I just know the man that's driving that truck is probably such a sweetie pie. Any man that has a big, huge truck with a little tiny dog, he's a good dude. Maybe. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. On to the next. On to the gas station. So I broke my coffee fast though too. My sister gave me some really good non-dairy creamer, like a little bottle to put in my little fridge cooler. P.S. Racetrack gas station has fire coffee. It's Colombian brew. They have like decaf, regular, and Colombia, and it's like um, it's ground from the beans in the machine for a gas station coffee. This is fire. I put some of that creamer in it, put some ice in it, made a little iced coffee. They had whipped cream in there. They had caramel. They had chocolate drizzle in there for free that you could just put on your coffee. Racetrack. Okay. Where I'm from, we have sheets. Maybe some sheets are that elevated, but I don't ever be getting coffee from sheets, so I don't know. But this right here. Okay, guys. Now it's on to find a place to cook because your girl is hungry and I think I'm gonna eat before I start to Uber Eats. Here we go. So we're gonna cook. I'm cooking steak, those jalapeno cheesy hash browns, and some shrimp bites. You see here, I got my air fryer. We got the skillet, got my steak, all the things I need. The hash browns and the shrimp bites are all used. And we're gonna get to it. I feel that. I do feel that. My girl's mad because she just wants a piece of me right now. And so we got this steak toast. It doesn't look that great, but it's got spicy avocado, some lettuce, some steak. We got this tater tots and the shrimp bites, a little spicy ketchup. It looks pretty basic, but it's about to be fire. It's gonna be so good. And she's just talking mad shit because I have her on mute. She hates to be on mute. It's kind of hilarious. Eh, Now, I'm gonna enjoy my food and I'll catch you in the next scene. So, I've been eating these tater tots the whole time. They're fire. So good. The shrimp bites are okay. I'd give them a 6.3 out of 5. I mean, out of 10. They're not horrible. Might be better if I made like a little sauce, a ramenade or something. But the steak toast, about to go crazy. Mm, it's so good. The spicy guacamole, the lettuce, the steak, the toast. It's so good. I usually make my own guacamole, but I knew I was in a time crunch and I love the little individual cups of spicy guacamole from Aldi. And I figured that would just be easier to store and I could have more guacamole for a longer period of time because they're sealed. So anytime I want guacamole, I just pull out the little bowls and they're like perfect serving size. This steak toast, so good. Mm, mm. I'll be back. Throw all our trash away, and then we're gonna get on the road for Uber. Are those New Balances? All right, let's get it to it. Let's get Uber eating. Your girl is very tired. Very, very tired. Uber was kind of a bus, but we got some kinks worked out. We're gonna try it again tomorrow, see how it goes. The app needed updated when I first logged in, so I had like two really good trips. One was like $26, one was like $20, and it wasn't that many miles. But I lost them both because the app wasn't directing me because it needed updated. Once I figured that out, then it took a second for it to update and actually update within the app so that I could use it. So I only ended up taking a few uh, orders, but it is what it is. Try again tomorrow. If it doesn't pan out here, I think I'm just gonna go to the top of the Panhandle, get to the top of Florida, maybe see how it is there. If not, maybe just try Uber eating in New Orleans because it's a city. Might have more opportunity for me, but we are set for the evening. I got my other phone charging. I got my fan blowing some nice air. My family, my girl, nose black, covered, comfy in my bed. So it is time to go to sleep. It's 11:30. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. So we're gonna go to bed. Hopefully get lots of rest and try Uber eating again in the morning. But I love y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in on my journey. Thank you for showing love in the comments, in the views, in the hypes, in the thumbs up. I appreciate it all. I appreciate you. And I just am so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.